Hello and welcome to my channel. It's me, Ira, and today I would like to present a new junk journal from my French countryside, French country collection of Graphic 45, but this time French, let us call it French chalet or just a country house. Not too sure about the name still. And this is also made with a lot of fabrics from Cheryl, and this one is a smaller version of my ordinary, normal, big size journals. It's a smaller version because it has only 2 signatures and it has a little bit different construction. I decided to try something that can be taken somewhere, and so here we are. So this is the cotton soft cover with buttons. Everything is glued and sewn, and you can see a lot of different fabrics here. Everything is gessoed. Now as we open it, you can see the inside. It's also cotton, and it's very soft. In fact, there are some cards inside, and this is a wooden topper with a small sunflower and a side pocket there. This is I would call it cottage cotton lace. This we have a lot of this. We used to have a lot of this in our country cottages of our grannies, and now you can only find bits and pieces in some collections. So this is the tag, ranunculus, and this is something that is very habitual or usual for our gardens. The collection is, as I said, Graphic 45, but it also only has 2 signatures, although these are exactly the same as I have in my big journals. Just they are sewn to the cover. You can see this is how they are sewn, and that's that. So let's move on. Skeleted leaf, some texture paste, inscription, and my traditional botanical tags. Plenty of space to write. This is from my university books, where I record books, and different sorts and types and textures of paper. Okay, another one, shepherd's purse. Okay, you can see. Okay, now another envelope with a card, composition page, notebook page. This is the page from a botanical young nature lovers journal. It has a windmill fitting the topic generally, and just a girl and a boy riding a horse. It's as far as I remember, 1989 issue. Okay, this is the second page of this issue. Spaces to write. So variety, yes, and this is another envelope page where you can insert whatsoever you want to keep, and one more pocket page with, this time it's flax, a stem of flax that I grow in my garden. This is self-made clay chip or topper, decoupaged flowers, some place where you can store your pictures, your photos, your cards, whatsoever, or your notes. Bookmark and a little bookmark And this is my favorite nowadays, my favorite thing. I keep making I keep making pockets out of my childhood letter envelopes, and you know, this I hope will preserve them from dying out and just getting lost. Okay, this is rose petal, and this is peppermint stem from my garden, which I collected last year. Okay, it's not, you can feel it because I didn't cover it with the glue all over for you to preserve the feeling, being able to touch it. But still, probably it's not too safe to just if you start using it naturally, like folding or whatever. But I don't think any plant will tolerate that. Okay, this is, oh, that's interesting because these are, you see the creases and you see the lines. These lines are embossed. Yes, I was a bit of crazy embossing the lines for my notes. Okay, it's called Delightful, and this is a piece of very interesting fabric. Not too sure what that like, but it matches the style, so I added it here. A little bit of mixed media page with sprays where you can keep and write and keep your notes. A page from a Russian book. And here is a music page. This one is some pocket holder. I don't know how to call it, side pocket maybe. Die cuts, collages with different papers and different fabrics, and this is the fabric from Cheryl as well. Small doily with handmade paper with silk fiber in it. This is a little bit of a big flower. It still preserves its color, and this side can be used for whatever as well, for holding pictures. Oh, another shaker with sequins, and CD sleeve with eucalyptus leaves that you can see here. Okay, and another ranunculus, but this is another type, another sort, another kind of that, not the same as you saw before. And another pocket, and one more mixed media piece. I like this so much. This collage is really, it's kind of, some collages are just, I like them. I just like them. Oh, this is another small pocket, small sleeve with a lot of seeds. This is some real plant inside. Seeds and sequins, right? And some die cut. Another pocket page with beautiful as a college. Oh wow, yes, this one is better. And another college, the last one, multi-level, you can see, wow, multi-layer. And this is bluebells probably, but who knows. I think it's bluebells, yeah, from my garden. Also very soft, very silky, but try not to use them too like violently, because I could definitely cover, and I do sometimes cover everything with medium, but then it just gets glossy and loses this texture at all. And this one is, it's intended to give a lot of pleasure, ASMR pleasure and so on. And perfect imperfection. This is my logo, you know, the idea of imperfections, different constraints of our life that make our life beautiful lace, and us beautiful lace bottom. So that's that. Thank you for watching. And the size is, I'm sorry, I forgot what the size. The size is, as you see, let me measure it in inches. It's 9 to, okay, around 7, right? And the spine is like around 2 probably. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye bye.